Yogurt. It's not just for health nuts anymore. Americans eat over 300,000 tons of it every year. Like milk and other dairy products, yogurt has plenty of calcium and protein. But unlike milk, it can often be digested by people who are lactose intolerant. That's because of the live and active bacteria cultures found in many yogurts. These good bacteria not only help digestion, but may have other health benefits too. Yogurt can be made from any milk-producing mammal. In the US, we use mostly cow's milk. But in southeastern Europe, yogurt comes from sheep and goat's milk. In Egypt, it's water buffalo milk. And in Sudan, camel milk. Yogurt's been on the menu for over 4,000 years, ever since wandering tribes in Central Asia accidentally discovered that the milk in their goatskin pouches had fermented and turned into yogurt. There are all kinds of ways to enjoy yogurt. In India, it's mixed with mint or cumin and served on the side of spicy dishes. And in the US, we freeze it and eat it as a dessert. Though frozen yogurt may sound healthier than ice cream, the sugar and calories can quickly add up. Something to remember next time you're tempted to get a big cup topped with candy and chocolate sauce.